All right, Riverview sounds good.
Super blue water and perfect for an afternoon swim.
You want the good gravy, but to get the good gravy, you've got to buy lots of the good gravy.
Which says turn here, turn there, this road, that road. Don't people know how to use a pin? Yeah, that is so refreshing. There's also big fish in here too.
Yes, it is, yeah. I'm actually not in South Australia. I'm actually up in Queensland at the moment. So we're in Hervey Bay at the moment. We got here today and we're doing a house sit for the next week. They do have a few animals to look after. There's a goat, a cow, some ducks, a dog and a cat. We'll have our hands full, but we'll be able to explore Hervey Bay and check out a few things from here. All right, let's go feed the cow.
Hey, Rosie.
Juice is not even worried. Oh, there you go, now you can see the cow. What do you reckon?
Oh.
Not too sure about it, are you, Bow?
Oh, and here's the goat. Is it Chewy?
Yeah, here comes Chewy the goat as well. So this morning we're heading out to the markets and I feel like I've got a whole new girlfriend. She's had a bit of a
feeling?
Yeah, she's had a bit of a makeover. So we've been in Hervey Bay for a couple of days now. Yesterday she got a new dress, a bit of a haircut and colour, and Juice has been a bit of a sook this morning, but
He's
yeah.
being an absolute turn.
Check it out, looking fantastic. Give us a little spin.
No, it's windy. So I got this dress from Frocks Fashion in Hervey Bay, and they're also at the markets this morning, so I'm going to go check out some more clothes. Good boy, come on.
Way to do it the difficult way.
You did it the tricky way. We bought Juice his own little chair from Kmart today. 16 bucks, low to the ground, like a little kid's chair. We thought it'd be perfect for him. We have been looking for a while, but they've all been like really high chairs and we didn't think he could actually jump that high. What do you reckon? Do you like it? Yeah? Now, what's new? We've decided to come to a brewery this afternoon. I know, very strange, unlike us. It's quite a common thing at the moment. One brewery per video, maybe two, maybe three sometimes.
We've got to keep up Juice with his brewery visits because he's, what, we've had him 7 weeks and I think we're almost at 6 breweries, so we're lacking a little bit.
No, 6 was like...
He's at least 7 minimum.
Yeah, 7 now. This is his 7th. Cheers, Juice.
And I didn't really like their sours. I had a try of 2 of the sours and didn't really like them, so I've got a mojito seltzer.
Nothing better to cool off on a nice sunny summery day.
Oh, that's strong.
So the brewery didn't go awesomely. It was alright, it wasn't anything crash hot, so we ended up having just 1 beer there. Chelsea's whipped up a nice little dip platter and we're having a couple of vodka sodas, just chilling out, relaxing.
And we've already made lasagna for dinner.
Yeah, so we whipped up a chicken lasagna before we went out. So yeah, dinner's all sorted, we're sitting back relaxing. Perfect Sunday arvo. What'd you get me for Father's Day too?
We went to the brewery for Father's Day.
Dog daddy.
How good does this lasagna look? It's nearly done. Oh yeah.
Check this out. We've got my side with cheese and Chelsea's with our sauerkraut.
Mine's still cheese. Dairy-free cheese.
Dairy-free cheese. Looks like sauerkraut.
So we didn't actually do a recipe. I just made some bechamel sauce. Is that how you say it?
Bechamel?
Bechamel, whatever you want to say. Sauce up. Just did a chicken bolognese, I guess. Just all from scratch. So we didn't actually use a recipe. So don't hit us up, please. Because I would not have a clue. Good morning.
Well, it was a good morning until about 2 seconds ago. when we just copped a stone to the windscreen. So I've got a nice little crack in the windscreen now.
Bryce didn't notice it at first. He was like, oh, that's all right, just hit the car. And I was like, no, it didn't. There's a big crack in there. Oh, it's probably gonna be hard to see. Oh. I'll put a little video of it on here for you to see.
Yeah, it's not good because the things I've heard so far about getting windscreens fixed on the new Ranger haven't been all that great.
Wait, what do you mean?
So like just getting it all recalibrated and everything like that. So yeah, this one's going to be a fun one.
Claims queue. Please hold, and a member of our team will be with you shortly. I assist with your elders class 3.
Hi, yeah, so I just got a chip in my windscreen this morning and I was hoping to organise a replacement. Yes, it is, yeah. I'm actually not in South Australia. I'm actually up in Queensland at the moment, Hervey Bay. So we got a hold of the insurance company. They're going to organise a repair. So we're just going to get it repaired first to see what it's like. Only because I don't want them to pull the windscreen out, mess with all the sensors and all that sort of stuff. And then we've got to get it calibrated. So if we can do this and it's hassle-free and sorted, then I'm happy to live with it. If not, then we've got to mess around with all those other bits.
We have come for a drive down near Eureka Pier. Now it is quite windy today, so I hope it's not too loud. We have found the most private little beautiful beach down here. Looks great for swimming, maybe if you had little kids as well to go in the shallows. So this is nearly high tide and it looks awesome out here. We have just tired Juice out with a massive walk, so we aren't going to stop today, but we might have to come back another day. This is just down near the Eureka Pier. Not sure of the name of the actual beach, but it's next to the local fish seafood markets. So that might give you a little bit of a point of reference.
So we had this vision for today. We thought, oh, we'll go out for a walk out near Byram Heads, have some lunch, get some fish and chips and sit by the beach. And the wind's kicked up and it really hasn't turned out as nice or as well as we were hoping for.
And the fish and chip shop is shut as well in town. So we're gonna go for a walk. We've just done a beach walk as well and that was okay, but that was before the wind has hit. It's actually like blowing a gale.
Yeah, so yeah, we'll keep you posted with what we get up to.
Great day to wear a dress.
For me anyway. Good boy. Did you see that?
No. What is it? Goanna?
Yeah, it was a massive goanna thing. It has like a little hole just in here. Change of plans from Byram Heads. We're going to head to, I think it's called Tugum. There seems to be a couple of shops there that are open, so we'll go see if we can find some fish and chips down there.
Alrighty, found a takeaway shop. This looks like us.
And what was the deal with the no dogs? So as you know, we do love a chip buddy sandwich, so we managed to get some. Unfortunately, the cafe didn't have very good vibes about it.
Wasn't very dog friendly, even though we were carrying Juice, but anyway, each to their own. We found a semi out of the wind spot.
Yeah. Got Chelsea's sweet chili sauce. It's always a
prerequisite.
Yeah.
This afternoon we have come out to Point Vernon in Hervey Bay. This is a really beautiful spot on high tide. Super blue water and perfect for an afternoon swim.
Even upload a video. Where we're staying doesn't have very good internet, so it's a good excuse to get out and about and take Juice out, upload a video and spend the afternoon.
week stay in Hervey Bay doing a house sit. We are on our way out of town this morning and only about 30 minutes up the road to a river retreat. So I think it's near Burham Heads. Just popping it in the GPS now and we'll show you when we get there.
Geez, check that out. Big drive this morning, 32 minute. You ripper. Let's
Got
go.
the snacks in the back. Hope you filled the drink bottles.
Yeah, snack box is full. Let's go get it.
The hip camp we're staying at has got some very confusing directions to get there. We've just got this massive chunk of writing which says turn here, turn there, this road, that road. Don't people know how to use a pin? I just want a pin to put in the navigation. Oh, I'm so bad with big chunks of writing like that. That means nothing to me. So anyway, we pulled over on the side of the road. We've got Bryce to decipher what all this means, and I think we're on the right track.
All right, so we've gone past the golf course. Now you've got to count to 7, going 60 kilometers an hour, turn right, and then turn another left, and then it's up past the tree with the kangaroo.
Take the first left, Billsborough Road, then turn left again at Bades Road. So I'm dyslexic and I don't realise that it affects me until I get big chunks of writing like this with directions, or I have to tell the time on a analog clock, and then I'm like, okay, I was diagnosed correctly.
That's right, I'm here to help you out. It's a bit all over the place. There's not any real clear sites, but we're going to try an idea, and if it doesn't work, there's a big area at the back here that doesn't have river views, so we're going to try and get the river view first.
She is absolutely jacked today and we're still not level. Look how much we're still out. The bubble's all the way over here and we're as much as we can go.
That's all right, I'll get it, don't you worry about that.
But we have got river views.
What would you rather, a night level or a night with river views?
All right, river view sounds good.
So this place is called Peaceful Riverside Camp, and so far so good, it's pretty peaceful. So as you can see next to me here, we are right on the top of our chocks. So maybe we just need to get some bigger leveling ramps, or maybe we should just find a more level site next time.
What's on the menu tonight, Bryce?
We've got roast lamb and veg. Check this bad boy out. Should be really good. I'm going to do it in the air fryer. We recently got some Maggi gravy. So now that we've got gravy, it's like, what can we do with gravy? So it's kind of been a gravy overload the last couple of nights, but I reckon it's going to be wicked with this.
And I'm not mad about it.
Nah, not at all.
Here, we'll show you the gravy we've got.
Alright, so it's kind of overkill, but the thing is you can't get it in any smaller of a container.
That's the smallest you can get, and it's what? 20, oh no, it's not 20 litres, but it will make 20 litres.
It's kind of one of them things, like, you want the good gravy, but to get the good gravy you got to buy lots of the good gravy. So that's a toss-up you had to make. Another cool thing we've been doing lately is we'll buy a big roast and then cut it up into a couple bits, and that way we can do more than one meal with it. So tonight we're going to do a roast lamb, and then maybe in another couple of days time we're going to do a slow cooked lamb curry, so that way we can get a little bit more out of the meat that we're buying.
We are heading off this morning from camp. This one is perfect for just a really relaxing overnighter, but other than that, there's not heaps to do here. So I've just got Bryce on the phone.
Hi.
This camp's a little bit tricky to get out of. So this is the hill, which isn't too bad, but we're thinking we might navigate around some trees and then just drive up it instead of reversing. So anyway, we'll make it work, but I thought I'd just get on the phone and then I can just direct him a bit better if we get too close to any trees or anything. Better to be safe than sorry.
So instead of talking to yourself on the camera, do you want to pay attention over here?
Are you right on the other side?
Yep, I think so. Alright, see ya.
Alright, I'll catch you at the top of the hill. Now send it. And we were a little bit on the skew last night, so this is how much water our grey water tank held. Sorry, keep driving.
Tonight's camp is called Eureka Station Camping. We've just finished setting up. We've stayed connected because we're only here for one night, but these guys actually have a cool swimming pond. We're going to show you that a little bit later, but this is the site so far. Getting ready for a swim?
Yeah, kind of. I'm putting my hair up. I don't want to get my hair wet. I wasn't allowed to fill up with water today in Childers because it was a paid water spot. We had plenty in the tank, so I can't get my hair wet tonight. Nah, that was just a story I just span because I thought it sounded good.
We got plenty of water, don't worry about that.
Yeah, we do. I mean, I shower first, so I got plenty of water. I don't know about you.
They've also got lots of freshwater taps here, so you can actually fill up while you're here too.
Are you allowed to fill up your tanks or just your drinking water?
It's
a grey area. Now the water we're going to be swimming in is fresh water, so it should be very nice for an afternoon dip. So Eureka Station seems very up and coming. They've got so many works happening here at the moment. Big barbecue areas, lots of amenities, and then this awesome freshwater swimming pool, I guess. Swimming hole? Swimming pool?
Pond?
Swimming pond. We're going to go check it out now while there's, I don't think, anyone around.
A nice gentle hum of a generator in the background.
Soothing. That is so refreshing. There's also big fish in here too. I wonder if they bite your feet. They're big. They're like 20 centimeters long.
So I got the rough end of the deal. I had to be the bartender today while Chelsea's gone still having a swim. I'm getting a drink. And how about this, right? So Chelsea's onto these fruity beers and this one's raspberry flavoured and she's got a mango one too. And I've tried them. I couldn't think of anything worse, but she seems to love them at the moment. So let us know, you a fruity beer person or just your regular green pale ale cans? That's what I am. Alrighty, we got O'Brien's in to repair the windscreen. They ended up doing a chip repair. It was my first choice because I didn't feel like getting the windscreen replaced and having to take it back to Ford to get them to recalibrate everything. So fingers crossed the chip repair will hold up for the meantime. That brings us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching another video. If you've liked this one, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment below, and we'll see you next week. Catch you later.